Welcome to Buying Buddy. In this video, I will give you a high-level overview of the steps needed to get Buying Buddy operational on your website. You should then follow the specific installation instructions for your type of website. One of the first things you should do is to get a Google Map API key. The map display on Buying Buddy widgets will show a Google warning message unless you have a Google API key, so follow the instructions in our support article. Next, add the Buying Buddy plugin to your website. The plugin will only work on the domains listed in your Buying Buddy account. If your website has a special editor or preview domain, or if there's a separate staging domain, then submit a help ticket with details so you can also see widgets on these domains. If you have a WordPress website, then download the plugin from WordPress. If you have a Wix website, then get the Buying Buddy app from the Wix app market. For both WordPress and Wix, when you activate the plugin, all the rest of the steps described in this video are automatically done for you. For other websites like Squarespace, Duda, Weebly, Webflow, and others, the JavaScript plugin will be installed, so add the plugin JavaScript code to your website. Next, add the Results Widget and the Property Details Widget to special pages we call foundation pages. When the search form is used, Buying Buddy needs to know the page address of the Results Widget, and any direct links to properties from property alerts or from social sharing need to go to the Property Details page. If these are not set up correctly, then you will see 404 errors when searching or viewing properties. Don't display foundation pages in any menus, and also avoid adding any extra widgets to the page. In step 4, follow the instructions so that properties can be correctly shared on Facebook and other social platforms. Now installation will be complete. If you need help with installation, please contact us. For more details on any of these topics, see the support website.